The products formed in single and double replacement reactions may be predicted from the formulas of the reactants. In this lab, you will predict the products for 7 single or double replacement reactions. We will then perform those reactions and test your predictions. This is the data table that you will use for the experiment. The first reaction is that between sulfuric acid and barium hydroxide solutions. Here we have sulfuric acid solution on the left and barium hydroxide solution on the right. Record your initial observations before we mix the solutions. Record your observations in this table. Here we have a strip of zinc and a solution of copper 2 sulfate. Record your initial observations. We will now place the zinc into the solution . This represents zinc and copper sulfate solution after a few minutes. Record your observations. Record your initial observations for sodium carbonate solution on the left and calcium chloride solution on the right. We'll now mix those solutions. Record this observation. Now we have sodium hydroxide solution on the left and cobalt 2 chloride solution on the right. Record your initial observations. And now we will mix those solutions. Record your observation. Here we have a sample of pure calcium metal and water. Record your observations before we mix them. Here the calcium has been added to the water. Record your observations. Record your initial observations for the magnesium strip and hydrochloric acid solution. This next reaction involves solutions of sodium iodide on the left and lead nitrate on the right. Record your initial observations. We will now mix the solutions. And record your final observations. We performed single or double replacement reactions. You predicted the products of those reactions, and from your observations you can now evaluate your predictions.